Our residential line of water softeners and water conditioners have a replaceable backup battery. This battery is used to maintain the time of day. If at some point after a power outage, you're confronted with a flashing time of day screen, it is possible that your backup battery is indeed depleted and would need to be replaced. After unplugging the water softener from the wall outlet, you'll want to remove the cover to gain access to the backup battery. This is a matter of grabbing the tabs on the right and the left-hand side and just pulling the cover straight off, setting the cover aside. At that point you can see the backup battery up in the upper left-hand corner of the circuit board. What I'm using to help with the removal of the battery is just a non-metallic tool to push up on the battery and to work it up out of the little holster that it sits in. You can see it coming up. I'm just going to grab that. These batteries are readily available at local drugstores or supermarkets. After obtaining a new battery, you're just going to slip it back into the holster, firmly press down, and at that point, you'll then replace the front cover. And then put the power back to the unit using your buttons resetting the time of day clock.